Hi everyone! Here we have drum truck. Let's turn on and see its features. It looks stunning and very realistic. Everyone would love to have this drum truck as their Christmas gift. It has storage at the back. It will be fun while playing with friends and siblings. Now let's know how it is operated. If the switch is like this, then the truck will not move although accelerator is pressed. So for movement press the switch then accelerator. Same goes for the forward movement. You can control the speed of truck with this switch. In front dashboard, there is musical features. It has both self-drive and remote control mode. Push this switch to forward, then move the gear knob to backward for the movement of storage. Then to pull the storage back into its own place, push the gear knob upward. It does has got shovel. Its charging point is here. I would love to take a ride at this drum truck with my bestie.